Hi everyone, welcome to Michelin King. So today we're going to be taking a look at a product called Exile. So Exile is a ready to use pre-wash spray. It's stronger than citrus, as you'll see in the video. You see quite heavy contamination just around about the rear wheel there. And all we're doing is we're just spraying this directly onto ideally dry paint because you want the detergent to cling to the paint properly. If you pre-wash, so say for instance if you pressure wash first, then you will be diluting the product down. So just keep it to the lower panels of the paint simply because it is quite strong. It will remove or it will really deteriorate your sealants and waxes, but it's a phenomenal product for getting that grime off. So especially coming out of winter into spring, I am using so much Exile just because I'm preparing to get ready for the next season. So as you can see, nice and easy to rinse off, really easy to use. Just make sure it's off the paint completely and it's an instant clean. As you can see, the water sheeting off just above the wheel there's an indication that the paint's now clean. You know, it's done its job. It's one of the out and out touchless products that we've developed over the years. So there you go, Exile, take a look at it. It's on the Michelin King website. Take care everyone, thanks, bye bye.